This is TJ and Joe with Third Quarter Quest. Today we're going to go over how we manage to take care of and house our cat that continues along with us on our quest. We have an upper and a lower bunk in our travel trailer with Jayco. And the upper bunk is his domicile. We fixed it so that the interior has where he gets food and water, and he gets his toys, and he gets litter and his bed at night. Yes, you've seen enough. So in the evenings, when we sleep, he sleeps. But to make sure that he stays in his space and not ours, we've devised just a door for the upper bunk that allows us to make sure that he stays in his bunk. That way he wakes up, we don't have to.
Yes.
So he's very used to this. He likes it. He gets his treats up here, and all his amenities of home up there. Generally, he gets fed up here. He gets his treats up here, and when he's done, he can come down. Thank you.